Hello world, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can increase your engagement on Facebook posts. So if you don't know me or if you're new to this channel, then my name is Saurabh and my passion is to help you build your influence using online marketing. So before I tell you the steps as to how you can increase the engagement on your Facebook posts, let us try to understand why you need to increase your engagement. What happens by increasing your engagement? So let's say you are a business owner and you are using Facebook as your primary platform to market your business, or you're using Facebook organic strategies to promote any affiliate offer or your product, or could be anything. So increasing the engagement on your post means getting more likes, more hearts, that means more eyeballs to your post. And why you need that? You want more people to see your content, to see your post. Now what kind of posts you need to make, that's a separate video, but let me tell you what kind of posts you don't have to make. You don't have to make posts about your business directly or your company directly, or you should not be posting any links on Facebook. Those are big no-no. So what you need to put quality content that can provide some value to the audience, that can help them solve a particular problem, that can motivate them, that can make them laugh, or that basically change the state of a person by going through your post. How you can get more engaged? The secret is you can get more engagement by engaging on other people's posts. Yes, it's as easy as it gets. You need to engage with other people, and then you expect other people to engage on your post. And when they engage on your posts, you can connect with them, you can build a rapport with them, you can build a relationship with them and see what the challenges they are facing and look to help. And then you can look to solve their problems by using your solution, by using your service. So there are certain steps which you need to perform in order to win the engagement battle, win the algorithm, I'll say. So you would want Facebook to show your content, show your posts to many people in their news feeds. So those people are your friends in your Facebook, and you want your post to be shown to them. And how you do it, I'll be telling you each and every step. So for that, let me go into my computer. So let's jump into the computer. So right now I'm logged into my Facebook account. So I'll be telling you a manual way as well as an automated way to prime up your Facebook feed before you and after you make a post. So before you make a post, what you have to do, you need to engage with other people's posts for 15 minutes. That's the minimum time. So what you could do, you could set up a timer on your phone, or you could set up a timer somewhere for 15 minutes, and all you have to do, open up your Facebook profile and start engaging on people's posts. By engaging, you have to read their post, you have to and put a comment on it. So let me show you a couple of examples. So this one is this one. So make sure you read the post, otherwise Facebook will know that you are just replying, you're just engaging, you're not reading, you're just here for engagement purpose. So make sure you read the entire post before you make a comment. So, yeah, stop. And while you're replying, while you're engaging, awesome job, my friend, you also have to tag the person. Orion. Yep. So what this does, it is going to send a notification to the person, and they will see that you have commented on their post, so they will gonna come back and engage on your post as well. And then once they engage on your post, you can start building a relationship, you can start interacting with them and see if they are having some challenges which you can solve, and you can build that rapport, and that's how you build a buyer list for yourself. So okay, now moving on to the next one. Okay, this is just a watch party. Okay, this one. Most people start to program. Okay, that's my lead, my mentor. That's right. Okay, yeah. So So yeah, you got the idea. And while going through your feed, you will see some sponsored ads as well. You don't have to engage on those sponsored ads. Those are the ads which Facebook show you, like this one where it says sponsor. That means that's a Facebook ad, so you don't have to engage with Facebook ads. So this is what you have to do for the first 15 minutes, and then the next 15 minutes after you have made your post. So this is a manual way of doing the thing, priming your feed. Now I'll be showing you an automatic way to do this, and for that there is a Chrome extension. It's a tool which is known as Primer, which I use. And what it does all the activities which I showed you. It will do it automatically. It is going to scan the post. It is going to see how many likes or love or the other emotions what the post has, and whatever the maximum emotions are there, it is going to post your predefined pre-formatted comment, and it will also tag that person. I'll show you how it is done. So this is the tool, and once you go in the settings, so it will ask you for the post interval time. So I put in 11 to 15 seconds. So what it means, once it has made a comment on a particular post, it is going to wait for 11 to 15 seconds before making the next comment. So this is going to add that human element, so that it is not going to just reply. It is not going to just engage on the people post, so that it doesn't look like that it's a bot. That's the basic idea of putting the interval over here. And you can also set up a time to when you want the engagement to start automatically. So ideally you would want something like not like 5 p.m, 6 p.m, 5:30. Those are very usual times. So you put like 5, 6, 5, 7, 5:13, 5:17. So that's how you can put it. And the next over here, you can pre-define the comments which the tool is going to make automatically. So for every emotion, there are 2 comments. So if there are more likes on that post, it is going to pick up randomly pick up one of these 2 comments, and it will post in that particular profile, in that particular post. And accordingly, if it has got more hearts, then it is going to pick up one of these comments and will post over there. So now let me show you how it is going to run. So all you need to do, just click on start, and that's all you have to do. Just wait, and it is going to scan the profile, scan the feed, scan the post, and it is not going to just immediately make a comment. It is going to just scan it, and then it will make a comment, and it will also tag that person. So you can just minimize this window, and you can do your other work. You could utilize this time to do more productive things like creating content, interacting with people, be on a call with people. So you can utilize your time better rather than just engaging. So as you can see, it is going to do its thing. It is going to run for 30 minutes, and then it will stop, and then you can make a post, and you can just do this again automatically. So that is going to save a lot of time, and it also helps me out. As I said, I can utilize that time for other activities. And the cost of this extension, it is $17 per month. There are yearly and a lifetime plan as well. I'll give a link to this Chrome extension in the description down below. You can check it out. If you are serious about building your business on Facebook, if you're using Facebook organic traffic for your business, then this extension is a must. It is, and trust me guys, I'm using it for over a month, and it has helped me a lot. You can go through my profile, you can see the kind of engagement I'm getting on my post. and everything. So it is a very helpful extension that is going to automate your priming task. So I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And for all you lovely people out there, I'm also doing free business breakthrough sessions, so you can book that session where you can get on call with me for 30 minutes and we can discuss about what are your challenges, where you are in your online marketing space, if you want to get started with online marketing, if you're not getting results. So let's connect and let's discuss it out, and I hope to offer more value to you. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.